How are you all? I hope all of you are fine at home and you must have started studying, isn't it? So, today I am here to start the revision of Science Chapter 1. Okay children? So that you are able to recall what we have studied. Okay? So let us begin. So, what was the chapter? The chapter was Plant Kingdom. Okay, what was it? Plant Kingdom. In this we have studied about all types of plants. Now, plants are very important for us, isn't it? They provide us food, wood, and from that we make so many useful products. Okay, some plants are tall, some plants grow in water, some plants are short and tiny, while some grow within the water. Okay, so there are different types of plants about which we studied in this chapter. So let's revise. What is this? This is a tree. Okay, so we'll study about its parts. So, these branches are known as what? Hard branches. These are branches of the tree. On these branches, there are leaves and fruits. Okay, leaves or fruits इन branches की help से grow होते हैं. Okay, and what is this? This is known as trunk. What is it known as? Trunk. The hard and strong stem is known as what? The trunk of the tree. Okay. So, now what is this? You remember we studied about roots. These are known as roots. They are underground and what do? See, these are water. Okay. What do? When rain comes, the water gets inside, okay? It gets preserved in the soil. वो एकदम deep चला जाता है in the land. Okay? Now what do these roots do? They spread inside the land and they get the water for the whole tree. And they pass the water from the roots to above. That is the trunk, the leaves, the fruits. And in this way, the process of plants generation and the fruits and leaves grow. Okay. See, जैसे ही roots पानी पहुंचाता है, what happens? These beautiful flowers, fruits, leaves started growing. Okay, so this is known as flowers. You must have seen. And these are the fruits which a plant bears. These are the leaves. See, now we will study the examples of trees. This is a neem tree which we have seen many places. This is a banyan tree. Now a banyan tree lives for many and many years. This is a mango tree. Yummy mango we get from this tree. Oh, now the smaller plants are known as what? Shrubs. See, what are they known as? Shrubs. They have hard and thin stems. Okay, उनकी stems hard होती हैं पर thin, पतली होती हैं. Okay, and they live for few years. Trees live for many and many years and these shrubs live for few years. These are the examples of it. Rose plant, tulsi plant. We get tulsi from it and tulsi is so good for health. We add it in tea. Okay, it is good for health, it is good for skin and many diseases. Then what is it? Cotton plants. I've told you, you must have seen cotton plant in the fields. जब आप कार में जाते हो for long drives, you must have seen there are fields of cotton plant. So cotton is grown on it. See, it looks like this. And we all know cotton is useful in so many ways. We make clothes out of it. Okay? Now, the next one is herbs. Okay? Now, herbs are very small plants. See, they're even smaller than this. Herbs are mainly used for medicine purpose. Okay? It is very good for health. All these herbs plants, इनमें बहुत अच्छी properties होती हैं. And this is the reason why they are used to make medicines. Okay? Their stems are thin and soft. इनकी stems भी thin तो होती हैं, but soft होती हैं, very soft. Okay? And in shrubs, what we study? Thin and strong. They are thin and soft. See, these are the examples of it. Aloe vera. Now you must have heard about aloe vera plant. Aloe vera is grown by many people in the houses also. It has many benefits. Medicines are made out of it. It is also good for skin. Okay? Then mint. Mint means pudina. Okay? Pudina is also added in food. Okay? Your mummy must be adding while making sabji. Then spinach. Spinach means palak. Palak, they are green in color and a good source of proteins in it. Okay? Children, you should also eat spinach. Okay. So, this was till that. Herbs and shrubs. Now we will study about climbers. Now, climbers have very weak stems. Okay? And they need support of some wall or something to grow. They cannot grow on their own. Okay, children? You remember we discussed these climbers cannot grow on their own. See, these are money plants, grapevine plant, grapes के plants होते हैं. Okay, so they do not grow on their own. See, they need support of walls. See, as you can see, walls के support से grow हो रहे हैं. Sticks. Stick also. See, in money plant, they can grow with the help of a stick. अगर आप stick लगा दो, they start growing around it. Okay, and other plants to grow. Okay, see, with the help of stick, they are growing. Yeah. So with the support of some other plants also, they can grow. See, this is a neem tree. And इसके support में these climbers are growing. Okay, these are the examples of climbers. Climbers like peas live for a few months. Peas means mटर. तो वो कुछ ही months रहते हैं. Okay, these are money plants and grapevine plants which we have discussed. Now, another one is creepers. Creepers have very weak stems and they generally grow on the ground. वो ground पे grow होते हैं. See, these are the examples of it. Bottlegourd means rocky and watermelon plants. You know what is watermelon? Okay, so they grow on the ground as they have no support. See, these are the examples of it. Strawberries and pumpkin, that is kaddu. Okay, so the parts of the plants. See, as we have discussed, this part is known as what? Stem. Okay, stem होता है. इसके support से पूरा plant खड़ा होता है. It carries water and food to all parts of the plants. Flowers. Okay, now flowers जो हैं वो leaves से बनते हैं. First, what happened? छोटा bud आता है. What is bud? See, this is known as bud. It grows into a flower. Flower, उसके बाद change it into a fruit. Finally हमें fruits मिलने लगते हैं. Okay, leaf. Now it makes food for the plant. Leaf का रोल क्या होता है? It makes food for the plant. It takes up water from soil for the plant.